best thing will be, to make something good so that we can make our country proud of us. So this should be the goal of this program.
International Biodesign, Synergizing Healthcare Innovation and Entrepreneurship, SIB-SHInE, is an exciting year-long, full-time dedicated residential fellowship program jointly led by the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and King George's Medical University, Lucknow. It is sponsored by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. It serves to launch Made in India biomedical innovations through its 4C academic program encompassing clinical immersion, conception, creation, and corroboration. Biopatrika is proud to partner with IIT Kanpur and KGMU in welcoming the inaugural batch of this year's fellows. Sumit is an embedded and electronics engineer experienced in building electronic products and bringing forth rapid prototypes. He's interested in exploring medical challenges solvable via machines. Congratulations and welcome to the SIB-SHInE program.
Thank you for having me here.
Sumit, this is a unique opportunity to really be at the precipice of medtech innovation. What specifically attracted you to this fellowship?
Okay, so I see this program as a bridge between us engineers and the doctors or the medical ecosystem. So if you I'll give an example. If someone is having experience in some field and is willing to make something in a medical field, then he must have some interaction with medical system or with doctors and with hospitals. So this program is the best way to to interact with the doctors and to get to see the hospitals and whole system, how it works and what do they need. So that's how I got attracted and I'm here.
So what is the caveat in Indian medical technology innovation that you would like to focus on?
So first thing, there are a lot of machines already available, but they are too costly, and medical services are a challenge in India, especially for economically poor people. So we must think of some frugal technology or something which is very costly. We can lower the cost, or we can make the what to say, some preventive healthcare system. So these things can be done.
And what is the special skill that you bring to the table to answer these challenges?
Okay, so while interacting with the doctors, I came to see that they know what things can be done by what engineering branch. This is the best thing I see. So I am from electronics background. I have more than 10 years of experience in embedded and electronics engineering. And if you see, most of the advanced machines are having lots of electronics in them. So I'll definitely be utilizing my electronics skill to convert the ideas into some product.
So do you see any collaborations in the near future, and will you collaborate with any of the other 8 fellows to answer your particular problem?
Yeah, why not? If someone is from mechanical background, there is a fellow, she is from microbiology. There is another fellow, she is from pharmacy. So if I see something is something, I'm going to make something which needs someone from other field. So I'll definitely ask the other fellow to so that we can join our hands and we can make something good.
Did you come into this program prepared with an innovative idea, or will you use the clinical immersion phase now to identify?
See, everyone is having some idea. I like them. I also have some idea, but I'm not, that idea is not hard and fast. I'm not very much convinced with that idea. So I'm very much open to, innovate something new. So it's like that.
So why did you choose an immersive program instead of continuing to work as an electronics engineer on the side and then focusing on, medical technology part-time or as a hobby?
See, this is a very kind of serious field. So part-time will not work. Doctors are sparing time for us from their very, very busy schedule. and they are trained to work tirelessly. So we must be with them and it is good that we can we can share their time, we can have their time while they are practicing with the patients, while they are being in the operation theaters. So this is the best thing. So it cannot be done part time.
So 1 year down the line, at the end of the fellowship, where do you see yourself?
So of course, everyone is trying to have some startup, but in worst case, I'll have a lot of ideas to work upon, and I'll be, or in best case, I will have something very outstanding product. So I'll be creating some startup, or I may transfer the technology to some giant to monetize it. Or the best thing will be to make something good, so that we can make our country proud of us. So this should be the goal of this program.
Very well said. We are excited and we look forward to your brilliant innovation and ideas. Thank you, Sumit, for speaking with us.
Thank you, Charu.